Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 24th of May 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 24th of May 2021. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as National Anti-Terrorism Day? Answer is option number 1, 21st May. Every year 21st May is celebrated as National Anti-Terrorism Day in India. It was on this day in the year 1991. In the year 1991 that former Indian Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated. The year 2021 commemorates the Rajiv Gandhi's 13th death anniversary, and the objective behind this day is to spread the message of peace, humanity, unity and harmony among the people. So answer will be option number 1, 21st May. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched the Mission Oxygen Self-Reliance Scheme to meet the state's oxygen needs? Answer is option number 3, Maharashtra. The state government of Maharashtra has recently launched the Mission Oxygen Self-Reliance Scheme to meet the state's oxygen needs. Special incentives will be given to oxygen producing industries under this scheme. The government will also give a refund on gross GST, stamp duty, electricity duty and unit subsidy of power cost for 5 years and interest subsidy for MSME units. So answer will be option number 3, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, look at map. This is Maharashtra. It was formed on 1st of May 1960. Capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. CM is Uddhav Thackeray. Its legislature has 288 plus 78 members. That is in Vidhan Sabha there are 288 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 78 members. 48 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 19 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. It is the third largest state by area and second by population in India. It borders with Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is the third most urbanized state of India. Next, which of the following country has recently launched its most powerful supercomputer Simorgh? Answer is option number 1, Iran. Recently, Iran has launched the most powerful supercomputer Simorgh, named after the mythical phoenix-like bird Simorgh, with a speed of 560 teraflops. It has been wholly designed and built by the team of Iranian engineers who developed the country's first supercomputer a decade ago. So answer will be option number 2, Iran. Iran, look at map. This is Iran. Its capital is Tehran. President is Hassan Rouhani and currency of Iran is Iranian Rial. Next, who has become the second most richest person in Asia? Answer is option number 2, Gautam Adani. Gautam Adani is an Indian billionaire. This is Gautam Adani. He is an Indian billionaire industrialist who is the chairperson and founder of Adani Group, and he has become the second richest person in Asia, surpassing Chinese bottled water billionaire John Shanshan according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. And Mukesh Ambani has topped the list of richest person in Asia. So answer will be option number 2, Gautam Adani. Next, Alok Ranjan Jha has been recently appointed as the next ambassador of India to dash. Answer is option number 2, Belarus. Look at image. This is Alok Ranjan Jha, and IFS officer of 2002 batch and presently working as secretary in the ministry, and recently he has been appointed as the ambassador of India to the Republic of Belarus. So answer will be option number 2, Belarus. Belarus, look at map. This is Belarus. Its capital is Minsk. President is Alexander Lukashenko. PM is Roman Golovchenko and currency of Belarus is Belarusian ruble. Next, which of the following institute has recently developed an antibody detection based kit called DIPCOVAN? Answer is option number 2, DRDO. What is DRDO? Long form is Defense Research and Development Organization. It was founded on 1958. Headquarters is in New Delhi, and currently Dr. G. Satish Reddy is the chairman of DRDO. And this DRDO has recently developed an antibody detection based kit called DIPCOVAN. The kit will help people detect if they have previously been exposed to the COVID-19 virus and if produced antibodies to combat it. The kit has been developed for the qualitative detection of IgG antibodies in human serum or plasma. So answer will be option number 2, DRDO. Next, who among the following has been recently awarded with the World Choreography Award 2020? Answer is option number 1, Sharad Mukund. Look at the image. This is Sharad Mukund. He is the Emmy Award nominated Indian choreographer and has won the 10th annual World Choreography Award 2020, which is also known as Choreo Award, and he has become the first Indian to win this prestigious award. He won the award in the TV reality show or competition category for his work on the hit American TV reality show World of Dance. Mukund is the director and choreographer of the Indian dance crew The Kings, which won the 2019 season of World Dance. And the award, called World Choreography Award, famously known as Oscar of Dance, take place every year in Los Angeles to showcase the most innovative and original works by the world-based choreographers featured in television, film, commercial ads, or digital content and music videos. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as World Turtle Day? Answer is option number 3, 23rd May. Every year, 23rd May is celebrated as World Turtle Day. This day is celebrated to make people aware of turtle and tortoise and their habitats. Every year since 2000, American Tortoise Rescue, a non-profit organization established in 1990, sponsors the celebration of this World Turtle Day, and in 2021 this day has been celebrated under the theme Turtle Rocks. So answer will be option number 3, 23rd May. This is important day from month of May. In the month of May, we have celebrated 1st May as International Labour Day, Maharashtra Day and Gujarat Day, 3rd May as World Press Freedom Day, 4th May as International Firefighters Day, World Asthma Day and Coal Miners Day, 5th May World Hygiene Day, 7th May World Athletics Day, 8th May World Thalassemia Day, World Red Cross Day and World Migratory Bird Day, 11th May as National Technology Day, 12th May International Nurses Day, 15th May World Family Day, 16th May World Agri-Tourism Day, National Dengue Day and International Day of Light, also International Day of Living Together in Peace, 17th May as World Telecommunication and Information Society Day and World Hypertension Day, 18th May as World AIDS Vaccine Day and International Museum Day, 20th May as World Bee Day and 21st May as World Meteorology Day, National Anti-Terrorism Day and International Tea Day. And now 23rd May as World Turtle Day. Next, which of the following institute has recently released the report called The State of Working India 2021, 1 year of COVID-19? Answer is option number 3, Azim Premji University. State of Working India 2021, 1 year of COVID-19 has been released by or has been published by Azim Premji University's Center for Sustainable Employment in Bengaluru, Karnataka. It is an annual report of the Center for Sustainable Employment, which conduct research in areas of work, labor and employment. And the report in 2021 covered the period between March 2020 to December 2020, and it analyzes the impact of 1 year of COVID-19 on employment, incomes, inequality and poverty. And according to this report, the monthly earning of workers fell on an average by 70% due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Self-employed and informal salaried workers faced the highest loss of earning. Poverty increased by 50% in rural areas and 20% in urban areas during the pandemic. So answer will be option number 3. This report has been published by Azim Premji University. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched Mission Hausla to help COVID-19 patients? Answer is option number 4, Uttarakhand. Recently, the state government of Uttarakhand has launched the mission Hausla. Under this mission, Uttarakhand police are helping COVID-19 patients to get oxygen beds and plasma. The police are also supporting the people to get the ration and help them with ambulance services, cremation of bodies as a part of this mission. So answer will be option number 4, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, look at map. This is Uttarakhand. It was formed on 9th of November 2000. Capitals are Gairsen and Dehradun. Gairsen is the summer capital of Uttarakhand and Dehradun is the winter capital of Uttarakhand. Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. CM is Tirath Singh Rawat. Currently, CM is Tirath Singh Rawat. Its legislature has 71 members. 5 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 3 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Uttarakhand. It borders with China, Nepal, UP and Himachal Pradesh. High Court is located at Naini Jim Corbett National Park, which is the oldest national park in Indian subcontinent, is also located in Uttarakhand, and Ganga, Yamuna and Ramganga are the main rivers of Uttarakhand. Now, we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following country will host the FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup 2022? Answer is option number 1, India. Second question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Biological Diversity? Answer is option number 3, 22nd May. Who among the following has recently sworn in as the Chief Minister of Kerala? Answer is option number 3, P. Vijayan. Which of the following institution has recently partnered with Google Cloud to offer high-speed satellite internet to customers worldwide? Answer is option number 3, SpaceX. Fifth question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Meteorology Day? Answer is option number 2, 20th May. Sixth question was, Sundarlal Bahuguna has recently died at the age of 94. He was a dash. Answer is option number 2, environmentalist. Seventh question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Tea Day? Answer is option number 2, 21st May. Mridul Kumar has been recently appointed as the new ambassador of India to dash. Answer is option number 3, Malaysia. Which of the following state government has recently launched the Amrit Vahini application for online booking of hospital beds? Answer is option number 3, Jharkhand. And last question was, O.P. Bharadwaj, who was awarded with the Dronacharya Award in 1985, has recently died at the age of 79. He was associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 4, boxing. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now, answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated? It's celebrated as World Agri-Tourism Day. Answer is option number 3, 16th May. Every year 16th May is celebrated as World Agri-Tourism Day. Now today's question is, senior IAS officer Tripurari Sharan has been recently appointed as the new chief secretary of which state? Options are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video. And these are the 5 GK booster questions which you need to answer in the comment section below. First question is, Kaziranga National Park is a national park in which state? Who has been awarded the Vyas Sanman in 2020? Who is the president of World Bank? Lalita Babar is associated with which sports? And fifth question is, who is the chairman of ISRO? These are the 5 GK booster questions of today's video. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.